Welcome to iTech Study Corner. In this video, I will show you how to download Tomcat server. Four topics. First is how to download Tomcat server. Download and install in your local machine and how to download Eclipse, Eclipse and install and installation process. So these two things I will discuss in this session. So step by steps, I will show you all these things. So open Chrome, search here, Tomcat 9. Tomcat 9 is latest one. 9 download. Tomcat 9 download. Open this file. Open this Tomcat Apache. Open. Okay. Now I want to exe file. This file I want to exe file. So come down. I don't want to G file. I want to exe file installer 32-bit and 64-bit. Just click on this. Downloading it will start automatically. Yeah. Okay, now copy this URL. Download Tomcat. Tomcat server. Link as this. Okay. We want to snapshot this. I will test it. This one. Okay. Yeah, test it. This one. Click on this. Extra thing. Okay. Click on this, then we'll get this download. Go into the download folder. Here is the download folder. There. Yeah. Control X, the batches folder, and go here. Software. Create one folder. Server. Yes. Just click on the server. Double click on the server. Step by step, yeah. I'm not telling on all these things hurry and worry mode. Okay. You will get this. Just click on next button. No, why it's not coming here? Don't know. That's it. We want this, then I will provide it. Okay. Just copy this. Copy. And you will get this one. Click on download button, you will get this. Okay. Just click on hit button. Next. Next. Agree. This one is not required. Here is required thing. I will provide one. Okay, one is good. If you want to provide like one, not one, for it's taking default. Better to change. Otherwise, it's better to change like 2023. Okay. Here also port shutdown provide like 2. Okay. Tomcat admin. Password is my admin. Provide your admin. 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 That's it. Just I want to take a snapshot for you guys. Just it. Fill these details. Okay. Now click on next. Just and before installing your like Apache Tomcat server in your system, you should install JDK up to 11 version. It will support it. Okay. Now this is the our your Apache Software Foundation. This is our directory installation. Required thing is what is that in your system? Mandatory. Mandatory things is what is that? Things is mandatory things is what is that? JDK. So install before installing this, installing Tomcat, installing Tomcat server. You should install JDK in your system. Why? Because it asking a path like that. Okay. But your Tomcat server, I don't want to run. I don't know. Just your Tomcat server is installed. Want to see you want to go in your drive and program files here. You can show Apache Tomcat server. Like continue. One time it will ask to permission. Why? Because we are in the operating system workplace. That's why. Go into the bin folder. Here you can start directly. You can start. Otherwise, you can choose an option. I want to start the server. Just to start it. We provide one port number. Here it's also showing. Here it will show. Wait. Okay, it's pathing na. It's patching the your JDK file. Allow. This is the message that we will get. Just click allow. Okay, up to that. This is your working. I will just take a snapshot for you guys. Folder Tomcat. Folder. Path. Tomcat installation folder. This one. I will tell you. Here you can see in this folder, in this folder, in this folder, in this folder, you will get what is that? Like start a server. Where this folder is the configuration not required. Here you can go find the jar files, lib folder. Here is the jar files like JSP and JS jar files. Here is jar file. In this place, you should, in this place, you deploy your project for running. Okay. Web app. This is the important folder. Only web app. This is this two folder and one is the for this. In three folder we are working. Okay. Server is still it's facing some. Okay, it's the start. Now it's the start. It's taking time. That much time. Which port number you can find it? You can see anywhere. Compact this port number, this HTTP Neon 2013. This is the latest version. Okay. So this is the total about installation. And next thing is how to configure. First of all, before the configuration, let's see. Download the Eclipse IDE. Let's see. Here is two is download Eclipse IDE. Okay. So now search inside of Google. Simple. Yeah. Search download Eclipse or window. This is the total video. I will show you all this thing. Not go here and there. Okay? All this thing. How to configure and how to install. ID installation taking time little bit. Okay. You will get this type of dialogues. Click in the packages. I will copy it. You will get this. Just click on this button. I'm highlighting. Click on packages. So we'll select the package, which package you want to work. So now click on packages. So at the right side, you will get some packages. Here, come here. Just you want we work with the like standalone application as well as Java EE application. So recommended Eclipse ID. This one is this. Okay. Now copy this. This is the version. After this selection, select this. Click on this. Simple. Click on this hyperlink. This is the hyperlink. Click on this. Okay. Click and you will get. Okay. Now here, come here. Which version you want to download? 2020, 23. Which version? This is the 6, no? So I want to work with this. So I want to download this. Okay, just click on this. Wait a minute, I want to share this, no? Required. More downloads. Here you can download, huh? Here you can download like zip file also. Let's click. I don't want to download zip file. I want this, like exe file. And select this. Which version you want, you can download. Huh? Third step is this. After this, click on this. I want this. Yes. Click on this. Click on this. Then it's asking which system you have installed 64 Windows, 64 Windows, Mac, Linux. I have 64. Eclipse latest version not supporting like what is that? Not supporting like 32-bit. Now click on this. Just provide the snapshot for you. After that, just select. That's it. Just select here, then wait. Okay. Now you can click here. Now you can click download, otherwise click here, not record. Just click here. Thank you for this and this. Downloading it is starting. .exe file. Downloading it is starting. But I have already downloaded this, so not required to download. Okay. Post this. This one is also required. Okay. Copy. That's it. Just Click on this. Click on this. That's it. We will get jar file. What is that? This. Output this. If you want to give a numbering, I will. Okay. This is the first. Okay. Here is second. 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 Here is the third. This is the third. This is the fourth. The fifth. That's it. And you will get your destination. Java. Now, how to install? So go in my workplace software. Inside the software ID is there. Okay. So now I want to start. Okay. When you install your Eclipse ID, internet should required. Okay. So click on this. Double click on Eclipse ID. In my case, download previously. Previous. Just double click on this. Just close it. You can download latest version, or you can download latest version or ABAP version like before, like 2003, 2012, whatever version you can like. So the better suitable version is which? But 2023. I used 2003. Now it's industry demands use latest Eclipse ID, and students also demand use latest Eclipse ID. That's why. So now installer will come. Okay. I think I don't know which version I have downloaded previous. Let's see. Okay. Now you will get this. Now you will get this. This ID asking to which version you install. Why? Because when I was downloading this exe file, I was not selecting any point, any option like that, like that. But remember one thing: you select this option, then you will get not this. So I want to download this. When you're installing Eclipse IDE, when you install Eclipse IDE, internet should require. It's downloading. Why? Because it's at 55 MB's file is there, .exe file. It's downloading all the file from the internet. So it's taking time. Up to that, okay, wait. Okay, now it's asking to the some license something. Accept now. Okay, that's it. It's installing start. So wait some more time, guys. I want to pause the recording. Now, after the installation, you will get this. Launch the Eclipse ID or not required to launch. Okay. So if you launch the ID, here it'll be starting. I want to take a one screenshot for you. This. That's it. After installation. Eclipse after installation. Installation. Okay. You will get this. Click on the launch button. Click on launch button, or otherwise open manually. I don't want just close. Okay. Okay. Are you sure about the existing installer? Yes. No, 20.0-6 is there in my system. US 6. Okay. This version is installed in my system. Just try to open. You will get this type of shortcut. You will get this type of shortcut in your machine. This type of shortcut in your machine. copy this. Now we'll get this type of shortcut in our desktop. Those person who don't know anything about the Eclipse ID, this is the sufficient video. Don't go here and there. Just I will now, after the starting Eclipse ID, I will show you how to configure Tomcat server in your Eclipse ID. Okay, it's very easy. Okay. Also, I will show you start server. Okay. Now it's asking path. It's asking a path. What is that? It's asking the path where you want to open your Eclipse ID. So browse it. I'll browse. Provide D colon, I think so. Yeah. Here is automatically will get. So I want to where in my batches folder. Create one more folder. Spring MVC. Spring MVC. Inside the Spring MVC. Example. Spring MVC. Example. Okay. Just select this folder. Now it's okay. Launch. Now it's launching. Eclipse ID depends on your system, how much RAM in your system, how much, what is it, which type of processor you are using. It's depending on it. It's opening like closing on this. Now your server is start. Now here I want to stop the server. Simple Control C. Press in the keyboard Control C, and it's stop server and exit. Just 11. It's taking time because it's okay now. Close the server here. First time it's taking time. Yes. Your Eclipse ID is ready for the working. So now close this. I don't want to this type of thing. So here configure your first of all. Suppose this is your new interface like that. So configure. Okay, setup checking is going on, but go inside that which now want snapshot or like writing configure Tomcat server in Eclipse. Eclipse ID. Step one. Step one is step one. Open Eclipse. Eclipse. And next thing, go into the window. Check. Check window section. Window section. Next, check server option. Next, check all these things I will show. Check runtime server environment, I think so. Here you can get add one, you will get one button add and add server. Add Tomcat. This is the simple steps. So first to go in window, taking a snapshot for you guys. In a window option, this one, copy, paste it, and window. First go in window, and next click, just select preferences. Preferences we missed. No? So cancel it. Just go and preferences. Copy. Window and open preferences. After the preferences, here in the window section, server and server will get one server option. Let's see preferences, window. Here you can check server. This option. Okay, runtime environment. See. And click on this. Okay, click on this. Okay. Now we get this. Now you can just get this type of option. Test it. Okay. Get this type of option after the clicking this button. That's it. Then add. Click on add button. Click on add, and select the server. 9, I don't want this. Select up to the 9. Just after clicking this, we get this Apache Tomcat 9. No, okay, no. Just click and select this option. Copy, paste it. Into it. Yes. Now paste. Just hit. Huh? Okay. After clicking this, we get this. No? Okay. Select the server. Select the server 9, Tomcat 9. This is my teaching style. Yeah. Okay. Now, just now the simple steps. Click on next button. You will get this type of option. Just click on next button. Just click on next button. Okay. The next. And here you can select the directory path like that. Okay. Where your server in the app? No. Inside this program, Apache Tomcat Server Foundation. This one. Live bin folder selected. So asking this for unknown the Tomcat. Okay, not a issue. Just check it. Why? Because we selected bin, not a bin. Just select this. That's it. Okay, now take a snapshot for you. Okay. After clicking this, you will get this. Here also we will get this. Okay. Now click on the next. Click on finish. Your server is configured with your system. Click on finish. That's it. Now, how we can show? You can go in the tab button. Tab button. You will get this type of server option. You will get server option. you will get server option. Just this option is required for us. This section is required for us. Just click on this, add server. Right now, here is not server folder is registered now. When you select and add server, add next. There is no project is registered, that's why. Just click on next. Add server. Then you will get one folder like this. Add server, taking one snapshot for you guys, like that. Okay. Before clicking add button, you will get this. Okay. You will get this. That's it. Next is how to start server. Just click on right click on the server. Just this one. So I want to take a snapshot for you. Just right click on the server. Go see. Right click on the server. These many options, start option is there. Start. Debug menu. If you are facing like port number problem, just click on the F3 and open and change the port number also. How to change port number I will show you. Just click on this. If you are facing any port kind of problem, just click on this and change your port number also. You can this and save it, automatically change. Let's start the server. Start. Yeah. Now if server is starting. Allow. Now if server is started, here you will get a message. Okay. And otherwise go into the console, server is started. Now this is all about configuration and all these things. I put it here. All these things. I will share these notes. I will share this note on my Telegram channel. I take study part. I will get and collect it. Thank you for watching.